to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a summer plum salad. Those of you that have been watching my channel for a while have seen my plum trees, seen all the things I've made with my plums. We've made plum wine, we've made plum jam. You can go back on my old videos and see how we did that. But today we're going to be making a summer plum salad that is made with plums from my tree and feta cheese. Now feast your eyes on this plum and feta cheese salad. And it's a perfect blend of sweet and savory flavors. I mean, if you're looking for a refreshing salad for summer, this is it, guys. I added avocado, plums, red onions, lettuce, spinach, and plums. It was so good, and olives. Oh, and I almost forgot to say that I added feta cheese to this. I've listed all the ingredients up here for you guys. And let me tell you, it's hot enough to scald a lizard out there. My friend Terry came over to visit me to get some fresh eggs. And I even whipped up some shrimp ceviche to share, but that'll be on another video. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you get notified when my ceviche video comes live. As always, thank you for being a part of my journey. I love sharing these moments with you all. Until next time, take care and happy cooking.